Hello everyone, my name is Firoza and I'm going to be your instructor for this course on medical imaging, 3D modeling and 3D printing. We've seen some very cool applications of 3D printing. People have been building houses, they've been making chocolates, some have even been making really huge cool superhero artifacts. But one of the spaces in which it has had maximum impact is that of saving lives. Imagine true customization, in which we are able to extract the patient anatomy out of their CT and MRI scans and provide it to the surgeon where they know exactly what the anatomy is about, what the defect is about, even without having to open up the patient. For this very reason, along with my teammates Priyank and Parinita, I've curated a very crisp and concise curriculum wherein I'm going to teach you about this revolutionary technology of extracting data out of patient CT and MRI scans, convert those to 3D models, which will have applications in patient pre-surgical planning.